just got something and I want to unbox it with y'all guys. It's this huge, gorgeous angel doll, and I want to unbox her with you. So let's go. Be right back. I'm going to get a knife. Okay, we got the weapon. Is she already open? Oh, she's already open. Here she is out of her box. Let's go. Let's take her out. She's gorgeous. She is breakable, so I have to be very careful. She's a tree topper, but oh well. Here's my gorgeous girl. She's gorgeous. She's super soft. Super fluffy wings. There's the back, the front, inside, side. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. I love her. She's my baby. Hold up, guys. Oh, stop her. Here's my baby. Oh, here she is.